Hello all the students of Center 5. Good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe. Spend your quality time with your family. Remember, you can give your quality time in your study also. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in math and science, you are doing it in your copy on time because whenever school is going to open, I am going to ask all the homework which I have given you. Okay? Please eat healthy food, play indoor games, don't go outside to play and eat junk food. Okay, so today I am going to teach you math chapter 8 decimal fraction is going on. We are on page number 82, example number 11. Example 11. Convert decimal 6, decimal 05. Convert decimal 6, decimal 05 and decimal 836 into common fraction 836 into common fraction in the lowest form. Okay, you have to convert this all number into the lowest form of terms. So now come to solution. Okay, lowest form means to say you have to change it into first fraction removing decimal. After removing decimal, you have to change into common in the lowest form, like 5 by 10 is there, then 1 by 2. Okay, you have to cut. So first we will see for decimal 6. See, decimal, before decimal no number is there. Okay, here decimal, see after decimal there is only one number 6, so that 6 we will take as numerator. Okay, after decimal 6 is there and that 6 but only one number is there, so that we will take as numerator. See, this decimal we will take 1 and after decimal only one number is there, so put 1 0. Again see, after decimal only one number is there, that is 6, so that's why I have written 6. So numerator is over. Now come to denominator. So decimal we will take as a 1 and this 6 we will take as a 0. How? Decimal, if we will take decimal 1 and after decimal only one number, so 1 0. If after decimal there is 2 number, then 2 0. After decimal if there is 3 number, then 3 0. But decimal we will take as 1. Now 6 by 10, always try to cross in same table, not in different table. Like 2 times 3 6, 2 times 5 10. See, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 5 10. So I have crossed in same table, in the table of 2 only. So always try to cross it into in same table. So my final answer is what? 3 by 5. So this is the lowest form of decimal 6. Now come to decimal 05. See, decimal 05 is there, so there is no value of 0. See, when this 0 will be after 5, we can say 50. This 05 what will write? What we will read? We will read 5 only. But if this 5 after 0 will be there, then what will we will read? 50. This will read 5, this will read 50. So just write, no problem, write 5 only. See, decimal we will take 1. After decimal, how many number is there? 2 number, 2 0. Now try to cross it into same pair. So 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 20, 100. So answer will be 1 by 20. Okay. Now come to next decimal 836. Now what is number? We have number 836, so write 836. Decimal, take it as 1. After decimal 3 number is there, so 1 2 3. Okay, now try to cross it in the table of 2 by divisibility by 2 I have taught you. Okay, if a last digit is divisible by 2, then all number will be divisible by 2. See, 2 times 4 8, 2 times 1 2, 1 2 times 8 16, 2 times 5 10 0 0. Again 8 will be divided by 2 and this 500 is also divided by 2, so again we will divide. 2 times 2 4, 2 times 9 18, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 5 0. Now check it. I think it will not divide now. So your final answer will be what? 209 by 250. Okay. First change decimal form into fraction form. Then that decimal form try to cross it into, always try to cross in same table. Like if you have taken from two tables, numerator also cross into and denominator cross also into. If you are crossing, like if you will cross 6 in the table of 3 and 5 in the table of 2, then that is 100% wrong. Now come to example number 12. Place two decimal zero four. Place two decimal zero four, 14 decimal 235 and 25 decimal 409 into common fractions in the lowest terms. See, this question is same as example number 11, but there is little difference. See, in example number 11, we have seen that before decimal no number was there, but here before decimal number is there, so there will be little difference. See, 2 decimal 04 is there, so forget about this decimal. Just forget like this decimal is not here. So what number is there? 204. So write 204. But we have to assume that this is decimal is there. Okay. For writing numerator, forget that any decimal is there. Now see. So I told you start from decimal. So decimal 204 number I have written in the numerator form. Now decimal take it as 1. After decimal, how many number is there? 2 number, 0 and 4. So put 2 0. 204. Now decimal take 1. After decimal 2 0, then put 2 0. After 2 times 1 2 0 0, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 5 10 0. Again it will cut 2 times 5 10, 2 times 1 2. This will cut by 25. So answer will be 51 by 25, and this is changed into mixed fraction also. I already taught you how to change into mixed fraction. Now we move to 14 decimal 235. So forget about this decimal here, write all the numbers. 14 235. Now decimal take it as 1. After decimal 3 number, so 1 2 3. So this will cut in the table of 5. Why? Because the divided by 5 is last digit 5 and 0, then it will be divided by 5. 5 times 2 10, 4 2. 5 times 8 40, 2 3. 5 times 4 23, 5. 5 times 7 35. 5 times 2 10, 0 0. Now I don't think that it will cross. Okay. So 2847 by 200 is there. Now try to change into mixed fraction. 1 4 and 47. Okay. Now we'll go to